Hello, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you how to debone a chicken in a safe, easy way. I will show you how to debone a chicken. First, you need a chicken, a knife, and don't forget your plaster, just in case for emergency. Right, get the chicken, loosen everything up. Where the breast is there, you see there's a fine bone in the middle. One breast, two breasts. You have to know where the joint is and where the joint is on the leg as well. So first of all, you part the chicken where the breast is into two halves. Turn it over, cut it where the shoulder is. You see the bone there. Run your knife, use the back of your knife, all the way down to the bottom. Press all the way up the knife facing outward, just in case anybody push you and the knife will go straight out. Pull it, cut where the joint is on the hips, cut it. That's one piece. You got a little fillet there, so all you have to do is cut it slightly. At the front of there, just stick your finger in and that should come out really nicely. Same on the other side. 1, 2. Out we come. Cut it. Same again. Cut it. Right. This is one way of filleting it, if you require to have the skin on.
So once you've got it off, you just cut the skin, cut the wing off, a nice chicken breast. If you do not want the wing here, just turn it over and cut it. And you've got a nice breast again. On the legs, if you want to debone the legs, it's really easy. Once again, where the kneecap is, cut it, back of your knife, just scrape, chop slightly, flick over. Once again, back of your knife, chop it slightly, flick it over, pull out. Don't forget, on the chicken legs, there's a small bone there. Don't know if you can see it or not, there's a small bone there, so you have to be careful. Make sure that you get that little bone out as well. Basically, run your fingers on there, cut it, and then you've got the lovely with the skin on. I will demonstrate to you another one, but you do not want the skin on. You want to take the skin off completely.
I hope you enjoyed the easy method of deboning the chicken. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up.